So, the Indian Council for Medical Research has detected two cases of the HMPV, which is currently in circulation, the human metapneumovirus. And what we also understand from the Union Health Ministry is that this is nothing of a major concern. The human metapneumovirus has been in circulation not just in India but also globally, and cases have also been detected in the past as well across various countries as well. The system currently in the country is robust with respect to surveilling all the channels to detect such cases. And the current two cases that we're talking about that have been detected from the ICMR have been detected in Bengaluru. The first case is that of a 3-month-old female infant, and this female infant was admitted to a hospital in Bengaluru who's already been discharged. The second case is that of an 8-month-old male infant, again admitted to the same hospital in Bengaluru, and is currently undergoing treatment. What we also must emphasize upon is that the HMPV is nothing to be panicked about. There is, enough measures that are being taken by the ministry as well. Earlier, the DGH's Director General of Health Services, Dr. Atul Goyal, had also said that, it has been in circulation and there is nothing to be panicked about this. There is no unusual surge in these cases across the country. There is no unusual surge in influenza like illnesses either, or severe acute respiratory illnesses either. Therefore, we must understand what we are hearing from the ministry as well, that these two cases of HMPV are isolated and they do not come from any international travel. So it's not from outside. And what we also must remember is that there are no surges in these cases or influenza like cases. HMPV is similar to ILI, which is influenza like cases, or SARI, which is severe acute respiratory illnesses. These two cases that have been spotted, one of them has been discharged already and the other one is undergoing treatment. What we must remember is that there's no panic about any sort of a surge with respect to HMPV cases in the country.